What's up, everyone? This is Roman here, and first of all I wanted to say thank you to all of my subscribers or anybody who's watching my videos. And you probably already noticed that I haven't been posting much in a while, have been answering any comments, and sorry about that, guys. It just has been last several years have been a little bit rough for me, but I'm getting back on the track. I'm still kept on filming, kept making my own music, because I make my own music for my videos, and we'll be posting more, we'll be filming more, since I have a little bit more time now, and decided just to make this stupid video today. It's gonna be like a foot clap in the slow motion. I will be filming on my phone, but I hope you guys enjoy it, and there's gonna be more to come. And thank you again. I appreciate for watching, for subscribing, and until next time, до следующего раза, товарищи.